How to watch live sports on Paramount Plus. So you first have to sign up for Paramount Plus, so you can always choose between two subscription plans, the Essential plan or the Premium plan. So the Essential plan includes access to most of Paramount Plus's content, including some live sports. And the Premium plan gives you full access to all the live sports, as well as other perks like ad-free viewing and offline downloads. So once you've made your subscription, you then have to download the Paramount Plus app. So it usually has apps for most major streaming devices, including Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, and smart TVs. You can also watch Paramount Plus on your computer or mobile device. So you simply have to sign into your Paramount Plus account once you've downloaded the app. And if you don't have an account yet, you can also create one on the Paramount Plus website. And once you're fully signed in, you'll then be able to start watching live sports on Paramount Plus. So you just have to navigate to the live TV section and select the sport you want to watch. So that's how to watch live sports on Paramount Plus. So thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, then consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.